Microsoft here to talk to you about Azure today. My name's Kyle,
Nate, Hanna.
And Chase, right?
and we'll start off with a little intro. So, Microsoft Azure, it's a public cloud computing platform with solutions ranging from infrastructure as a service, also known as IaaS, platform as a service (PaaS), and software as a service (SaaS), which can all be used for a wide range of services such as analytics, storage, networking, etc. So, a few motivations for using this technology. Choosing the right cloud vendor is a very important decision for any enterprise or any Fortune 500 company. Cost is always one of the main factors in making any purchase. Microsoft Azure is a pretty cost efficient platform. Microsoft's pay as you go model allows you to pay for what you use to build or expand resources using Azure services. This cuts down the IT admin cost to a minimum as infrastructure is taken care of by Microsoft on Azure. It connects data centers to the cloud effortlessly and supports 42 regions like no other cloud provider. Organizations dependent on Microsoft tools like Office 365, Outlook, or SharePoint invest in a cloud platform that integrates with Microsoft products. Use of Azure simplifies operations by using the same virtual on-premise machines like Windows and Linux. Also, applications that run easily, unaffected, and scale from 10 to 10 million users can be created without any additional coding by using Azure. Azure Storage provides flexible, safe, secure, and performance-efficient storage services on the cloud. It becomes simpler to change settings and use more processors for the application to use. For reasonable target businesses, Azure is mainly geared towards your Fortune 500 companies, with about 95% of these companies giving positive feedback that they trust using Azure with their business. But overall, any business can implement Azure no matter the size. Azure is just great for any company due to the vast amount of tools available for any task at hand with their daily operations. So, what does Azure do for a business and what value does it add? Azure runs all your business applications by providing global scale, consistency, and seamless integration with on-premises environments. Azure is designed for every business regardless of size, from the local bakery to your multinational corporations. It's easily scalable to meet your IT demands and operates on a pay-as-you-go pricing model to meet any budget. Since businesses can launch and store internal and external applications in the cloud, it also saves on in-house IT costs, including hardware and maintenance. Azure has designed specific applications to address unique needs. Government, healthcare, manufacturing, and financial services benefit greatly from Azure's many features, including offline cloud services, individualized security needs, simplified compliance, and modernized customer apps. Azure allows your IT personnel to focus on your business without having to worry about in-house capabilities or maintaining equipment that is overtaxed or underused. The platform makes it fast and easy to deploy your current apps with little to no downtime. An integrated development environment reduces the learning curve, allowing teams to master the platform quickly. Additionally, the platform has a footprint in more countries than Google or Amazon, providing faster content delivery while optimizing the user experience. Azure is scalable to grow with your company, and you pay for only what you need.
So some reasonable cost estimates. Azure pricing varies depending on which services you'd like to use for your business. For example, using a Linux virtual machines service is less than a penny per hour for using the service. Or if you're using storage services, you'll have a set cost per gigabyte used. Time and effort to adapt it to the technology. It's an easy learning curve. Familiar tools such as Visual Studio, ASP.NET, and programming languages like Visual Basic, C++, or C, etc., are using to develop cloud-native applications. It is thus easy for consultants to develop cloud-based enterprise applications. Some strategic advantages. App management is a big advantage for Azure. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, it benefits organizations to build, deploy, and manage the apps in a quick and easier way. An organization can launch from the website or create a web app and maintain the infrastructure by customizing the cloud software. It is known that Azure has several data centers and delivery points. It facilitates for faster content delivery, optimal user experience, store any data, and also able to share the data across the virtual machines as required at a reliable and faster rate. Security is also important for every business. So the data on the Azure is protected by a spy movie environment. The data centers have two-tier authentications: proxy card access readers, hand geometry biometric readers, global incident response team. Therefore, hacking is reduced to a greater extent. Ease of Ease of use should be something to consider when searching for a cloud-based system. Azure develops an appreciable level of flexibility, giving you the option to have functionality as required. You can pay as you go or as you consume, which switch to Azure, accommodate for the business fluctuations, and etc. Thus, there is no worry about the infrastructure all the time. Size of the market for that specific application. Azure is designed for every business regardless of the size, from the local bakery to multinational corporations. It's easily scalable to meet your IT demands and operation as you pay as you go pricing model to meet any budget. Since businesses can launch and store internal and external applications in the cloud, it also saves on in-house IT costs, including hardware and maintenance.
For support, we have an instant computing infrastructure provisioned and managed over the internet. A cloud computing service providers such as Azure manages the infrastructure while you purchase, install, configure, and manage your own software. However, Azure does include support plans. These multiple options are as follows. Developer option is $29 a month with a response time under 8 hours. Then you have a standard option, which is $100 a month with a response time under 2 hours. And professional direct is $1,000 a month with a response time of under 1 hour. If you want to do a premier option, you'll need to contact to figure out monthly costs, but an average response time is around 15 minutes and under. Ease of adoption and rollout. The Cloud Adoption Framework is one of Microsoft's approach to cloud adoption in Azure, consolidating and sharing best practices from Microsoft employers, partners, and customers. The framework gives customers a set of tools, guidance, and narratives that help shape technology, businesses, and people's strategies for driving desired businesses outcomes during their adoption effort. This guidance aligns to the following phases of the cloud adoption life cycle, ensuring easy access to the right guidance at the right time. Cost structure. Azure Free Account includes free access to our most popular Azure products for 12 months. You also receive $200 credit to spend for the first 30 days of signing up and access to more than 25 products. After hearing about the advantages, versatilities, and overview of Microsoft Azure, we'd love for you to become part of our team. If there's any questions, feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you. My name is Nate.
I'm Kyle.
And I'm Chase.